In today's video, I'm going to show you what I've been using the last few years to avoid miserably cold hands while riding outdoors in the winter. Welcome my friends, I'm Brian, and this is my YouTube channel, Your Couch Sucks, where it's all about staying off your couch and doing something fun that you enjoy. Maybe you're one of those people that likes to get outside in the winter and do something like snowmobiling, skiing, or cycling, or maybe you're one of those poor unfortunate souls that has to get outside and do things like snowblow, shovel snow, or something else miserable and unpleasant like I frequently have to do. Maybe you're one of those people that has Raynaud's syndrome, have frostbite in your hands a time or two, or just plain bad circulation. For the last couple of years, I've been using these gloves. They're battery operated and they work very well. Stick with me. I'm going to show you what temperatures they hold as I sit here in my cold garage with you. So these are the gloves. As I said, they're battery operated. This is the battery pack. It's rechargeable. Plug it in the wall. It charges up a couple hours. They plug into the gloves just like this, but I'm not going to do that right now. What I want to actually show you is the temperature in my garage currently is showing about 52 degrees. The inside of the gloves right now is roughly the same temperature, 52, 53 degrees. I also have another pair of gloves that I use on a regular basis when I ride outdoors. They're not as thick, but it's just I'm going to use it kind of as a comparison. And they're showing also 52 to 53 degrees. I'm going to plug the gloves in. I'm going to let them sit. I'm going to check them at different intervals, probably 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and then probably a half hour, maybe an hour as well. So plugging the battery in, like I said, it's not overly hard. I'm going to turn them out both on high. Okay, we're back for the 5-minute check. The exterior of the gloves showing about 62, 63 degrees. The interior showing about the same temperature, 63 degrees on that one. And the interior temperature on that one, 61-ish. So pretty close. On the other gloves that are not heated, the exterior temperature, 54-ish degrees. And the interior temperature, slightly colder, 52 degrees. All right, that's the 5-minute check. We'll be back and we'll do the 10 shortly. We're back for the 10-minute glove check. Ambient temperature in the garage, still 51 degrees. The exterior temperature on the gloves actually showing 76 or so degrees and showing about 80 degrees inside the glove. On that one, seeing about 79, 80 degrees on the exterior of this one, 79 degrees on the interior. The other set of gloves, seeing 53 degrees on the exterior and 52-ish on the interior. So the heated gloves are definitely heated, and we'll let them go. Back for the 20-minute check. The temperature that I'm seeing in the garage is 71 degrees. And the temperature on the gloves is anywhere from 75 to 79 degrees, 80 degrees on the exterior. And on the interior, seeing 78 degrees on this glove. The exterior of the plain gloves, 51 degrees, and showing about 51 degrees on the inside as well. So obviously, again, the heated gloves are staying heated. Now we're back for the 30-minute time check. Temperature's dropping in the garage. It's about 50 degrees out because it's a balmy 27 degrees outside here in upstate New York. The gloves themselves, about 78 to 83 degrees. And on the inside, 83.3 is what I'm seeing on this glove. The other one, on the exterior, 79. On the interior on this one, 81 degrees. The unheated gloves, the exterior showing 52 degrees on the exterior and 50 degrees on the inside on this one. So again, the heated gloves are staying warm. That's 30 minutes into it. As you can see, it's still showing full power. Here's the 1-hour check. Again, the temperature inside the garage, 51 degrees is what I'm seeing. And the temperature of the exterior of the gloves, about 89 degrees. It's been bouncing back and forth a little bit. Went up to actually 96 at one point. And showing about 87 inside the glove. On this one, 82 degrees and 83 degrees. Again, they're still going strong, full power. The non-heated gloves, they're showing 54 degrees. And on the inside, 52, 53 degrees. The gloves are available on Amazon.com. I have an Amazon affiliate link down below. Go ahead and use that. They're called Savior, which is a great name for them as far as I'm concerned. They've saved my cycling over the last few years when it gets to 30 degrees or below, which is a common occurrence in upstate New York at this time of year. Longest ride I've used them on, 2.5, 3 hours over the last couple of years. They've kept my hands nice and warm and toasty. I would recommend a thin pair of wool gloves or a thin pair of gloves in general. Your hands may sweat with those gloves on. If you have to take these ones off, you'll be able to get them on a lot easier to put them back on. They're pretty roomy. Haven't had any issues with them. Not bulky per se at all. Still able to shift a mountain bike, fat tire bike, a cyclocross bike or a road bike, and that's with electronic or mechanical shifting, either or. If you got some value out of this video or any of the videos on my channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. Really appreciate if you do that. It gives me a chance to beat the YouTube algorithm. Other than that, have a great day. See you.